So this here is the brand new SoundCore Life Q30 from Anker. It's their latest headset that features upgraded noise cancellation features, a lighter, more comfortable form factor, and up to an insane 40 hours of battery life. That's pretty wild. On paper, the Life Q30 could very well be the perfect pair of headphones for your listening and even gaming needs. The best part is that you can get all of this for only $79, making the Life Q30 yet another product that I consider to be a steal of a deal. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and get hyped because today we're going to be checking out the brand new just released SoundCore Life Q30 from Anker. Some of you guys may know that back in the day, I used to talk about headphones all of the time. The perfect headphones for gaming, best earbuds for the gym, for overall listening, you name it, I've done it. One brand that consistently ended up on many of those lists was SoundCore. SoundCore consistently produces top-notch audio gear, from sound quality to build quality to battery life to comfort. SoundCore products just offer a tremendous amount of features for a low price tag, and the new Life Q30 are no exception to this. Once you get the Life Q30 and open up the box, you'll find a very nice fabric hard shell case that houses the headphones. Open that up and you have an audio cable, a USB-C charging cable, some instruction manuals, and of course the headset itself. The Life Q30 really does look like something that should be more expensive than it is, and it even feels the part too. It feels like a premium product when you pick it up. You can tell that things were very well thought out. As far as features go, the Life Q30 are no slouch. At $79, you'd expect there to be some kind of compromise, but I didn't really find that to be the case. The Life Q30 are incredibly easy to pair over Bluetooth or NFC, and they pack 40mm silk drivers that deliver excellent sound quality right out of the box. When you first put these headphones on, sound quality is going to be clean, it's detailed with a punchy amount of bass, but we'll talk about this more in a bit. Out of the box, the price to feature ratio here is just off the charts. The headset itself features a physical power button, a dedicated noise cancellation button, and USB-C charging port on the left ear cup. On the right, it features dedicated volume buttons, a play-pause button, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Where you begin to find out the true potential of these headphones is in the dedicated SoundCore app that's available on iOS and Android. Here you can swap between 3 different noise cancellation modes, 22 customized equalization presets, 11 white noise sounds, and so much more. The 3 transparency modes are the most interesting as they're a new feature unique to the Q30. Basically, they allow you to use the active noise cancellation mode in 3 different scenarios: indoor, outdoor, and transport. So depending on your listening scenario, you can adjust things accordingly and find out what works best for you. As I mentioned earlier, things do sound great out of the box. However, the flexibility that you get here in the SoundCore app to really make the Life Q30 your own is truly impressive. All right, folks, so I guess we're gonna keep spinning. So here is a test of the microphones within the SoundCore Life Q30. How do they sound? Do they sound pretty good? I recorded a test video before this test video and just tested out the microphone within the video, and it actually sounded really good. I was really surprised. Like, my room is pretty echoey and things like that, but this sounded great, I thought. For phone calls and things like that, people were able to hear me clearly, and also I'm able to hear them back clearly as well. So if you're looking for a good headset to talk on the phone, this is also another great option. And lastly is battery life. SoundCore is a brand by Anker, and Anker is well known for its portable batteries and charging solutions, so it's no wonder that the Life Q30 absolutely shine in this area. Another testament to this is that a quick 5-minute charge will give these headphones 4 hours of playback time, so that's pretty cool. They're rated at 40 hours of use on a full charge with active noise cancellation and about 60 hours without it, so these things are definitely going to last you a very long time. As a matter of fact, I've had these headphones for a few weeks now, and they have yet to be charged a second time. Like, these things are running on, I'm not even sure what anymore, but they just feel like they last forever. Overall, the Life Q30 are a fantastic pair of headphones that truly sound incredible, and they actually feel great when you wear them as well. I'm actually blown away by the fact that these things only retail for $79. I use the Sony TH-X1000M3 as my main headphones for video editing, and even though there is a difference in sound quality, it is not major. In fact, if you put the Q30 on having never tried the more expensive Sonys, you wouldn't be missing much. I'm not knocking the Sonys by any means. The point I'm making here is that I paid $300 for the Sonys a while back, and a $79 pair of headphones holds its own against them. That's pretty impressive. So if you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, I cannot help but recommend the Life Q30. These things are fantastic. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, you know the drill by now. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!